Today we have another guest, which is Rose Malaki. So today's guest is going to be Rose Malaki from Swiss Arabian. This is the box, and I got them from UAE. My brother is in UAE, so there was a sale, year-end sale. So I thought that I should also, review Rose Malaki because two of my very popular, most popular reviews are Mukhallat Malaki and Musk Malaki bottles from Swiss Arabian. So this is going to be interesting. So this is the one left, and there is another one which is going to be in the next video, a surprise for you. So I'm going to unpack it in front of you. Oh my god. Okay, so let's start. I really love exploring new things. So this is the things I love a lot, unpacking new stuff or something that comes in the mail. So here we go. So this is the box. This is the box, and I really love how they have a silver and light peach kind of color on this, and the bottle is very similar. So I'm going to get the bottle out. Let's see if I successfully get it out. So this is how it has been wrapped, like a gift pouch. You can see over here. Okay, so this is the bottle. So I'm going to unpack it now. Bismillah. Okay, so here we have it. You can see now. This is the juice. I think it was dark. Now it is very, very light yellowish kind of color. So this is the bottle. This is the bottle of Rose Malaki, and this is the box. Okay, so let's try to use it. And it says batch number, expiry 2028. Okay, so I think they have changed some things over here, like you can move it like this. Oh, so there is an applicator in here. So I'm going to apply it on my left thumb. Oh, I'm not very impressed. This is kind of balsamic rose attar for me. Rose is there, but I am sensing a lot of synthetics over here. Kind of very typical rose attar which you find in different mosques, and not very impressive Swiss Arabian over here. I'm not really impressed. A light citrus, rose, bit of chemicals, and a little bit of balsamic kind of something. No, okay, so I think this is going to be my least favorite from this series, Rose Malaki, Mukhallat Malaki. Yes, it is not that great. Citrus, rose, some synthetics, and some balsamic kind of thing. That is, kind of like balm. When you apply some balm over you, so you get something like in your breathing or something in your nostrils. So that kind of scent is there. A bit fruity. I'm not sure why I'm getting fruitiness over here. Yes, it is fruity. No, I'm getting a fruity kind of vibe, but mostly I would say that I am really, really disappointed with this one, because for me, I think it should have more of rose, and if they might have mixed like something else like cinnamon or maybe something else, that to make it a bit more, kind of more heavy in terms of scent. Scent profile is very, very. Oh, I'm really disappointed. This is I think I was expecting a lot better from Swiss Arabian for this Rose Malaki. Rose Malaki, I think if you are going to buy do not buy this. Buy Mukhallat Malaki or Mushk Malaki or Musk Malaki. This is my least favorite among all of these. So this is my review. Fruity, cheap rose attar, which you find in mosques and a lot of areas. You might have smelled it many times. So this is going to be my least favorite. So if you like some attar like this, so it has like 30 ml, maybe if you apply 25 ml, sorry, so it's 25 ml. But if you apply a lot, and maybe you can bear this, maybe for children it is good. If you have a lot of children and they comes or go to the mosque or maybe somewhere else, this is good. But overall, I didn't like it much. Okay. So this is my review about Rose Malaki. I am really disappointed, Swiss Arabian. This is not what I think you should have made. It should have some more ingredients mixed with rose to make it a bit different. Okay. So that is all. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.